Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily change your lock screen background with Windows 11. If this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is to write down below in the comments that this video helped you for other people, so when they come to watch this video that is like worth it. Now what you want to do is go to bottom, and next to the search you're gonna have the start button. Right click on it and then click settings. Now when you're gonna be here, you're gonna have the personalization under network and internet. Then click under themes, lock screen, and under lock screen you're gonna have the personalize your lock screen, and you can have picture or slideshow. And with picture you can choose a photo by yourself or Windows Spotlight, completely up to you. So this is pretty much it, how you can change your lock screen background with Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.